When creating or editing many products, it is often simpler to add or edit via a CSV file and then bring the changes back into CloudQuote. From the Package Admin tab, click on the Export drop-down button and choose CSV. Provide a name and a location in order to save the file. The exported sheet will show every product currently loaded in CloudQuote in a CSV format. It is important to note that only new products or edited product changes will be applied back into CloudQuote when we re-import this file. You can only delete products or accessories in CloudQuote itself. Format the sheet to make it easier for you to work in by freezing the top row and bolding the headings. The product number is the database number which CloudQuote assigns once you save the package. Rather hide this column as it is not required for the purposes of this video. We will create a new product and its accessories by adding it to the end of this sheet. We can either type these in manually or copy these from your master price list and paste into the appropriate columns. We can now create a product hierarchy by filling in the level numbers. The main product will always be a level 1. Accessories follow as level 2 or 3 and so on, depending on which items are parents and which are their respective children. Remember that the base price is used for hardware products where a bank factor or cash price is used. Once-off and monthly prices do not affect the base price and are unaffected by bank factors. These are typically used for software or connectivity solutions where there is an upfront installation charge and an ongoing monthly license. These are then shown in the appropriate section of your quote template. In this case, we are only capturing a base price, but we could capture any combination of these. The description column is where we can fill in specifications of items. This is typically only done on the main product, but can be on accessory items if your quote template caters for it. The main product, or level 1 item, will always be a product in the type column. Accessory items need to be given other types. A label is a heading, making the items underneath it easier to identify. It has no cost or part number. A radio item is an option item, allowing for a rep to choose one of the options only. A check item will allow a rep to choose any combination of these. With the remaining columns, we can choose whether items are ticked in CloudQuote by applying as true or unticked by applying as false. Selected, if true, ticks an item as a default, but the rep can untick it if not required. Mandatory, if true, will not allow a rep to remove the item. Quantity is the default number of units required. Fixed unit count will not allow for more than the default units to be selected by the rep. Show on quote, if true, will show the item in the quote template. Category is the group to which we wish to assign this product and only applies to the main level 1 product. When you are happy with the changes, you may want to create new products from this original. Simply copy the newly created product and paste the completed fields into the bottom of the sheet, then change the specific product details. Once you are done, save the CSV and import into CloudQuote. Click on Confirm. Your new products will be visible in CloudQuote, where you can now insert an image and edit any other specific product information. Please see the Creating Products video for more information. Save the package to allow your reps to have access to your newly created products. CloudQuote. Click and easy.